Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here in Hamilton Island filming this YouTube video. Like, the sun is literally coming up as we speak. If you can see it right there. Let me do a little zoom up, surely. I swear it looks like 10 times more beautiful in real life. But anyways, I'm here and I'm filming a little Princess Polly haul of the pieces that I brought with me to my little holiday. So I thought, yeah, I would do a little try on haul. I also do have a discount code. As always, I'll leave it on the screen and I'll leave all the links to all the pieces that I try on today in the description box down below. So yeah, let's get started. So the first set that I got, I actually wanted to get these in like the biggest size just for like a really oversized baggy fit. I do actually have a pair of the like this waffle set but in grey, and I did get it to my size, but it is quite fitted, so I wanted something like really baggy and loose. And to be honest, because I ordered a size 16 in this set, I didn't think that the top would fit me. Like, it is quite roomy, but it still sits on the body really nice. So yeah, I did end up getting a size 16 in this set and I really like it. Like I said, they do have it in grey as well. The sun's like beaming on my face, love that for me. So yeah, that is the first set that I got. I got so many cute, like beachy, summery, because like it's literally like 25 to 28 degrees here in the middle of winter. This is the second set that I picked up, and if you guys know me, I'm not really much of a skirt person. Like, I don't wear skirts too much. Like, I would always prefer to wear like pants in a crop or jeans in a crop, but this set on the website looked amazing on the model, and I like that this part is kind of, it goes in at the waist, which is really flattering, and it's kind of ruched a bit. I'll try and see if I can give you guys like a full, that might be a little bit better. So it's like a full length skirt. I ended up getting it in a 10, but it's really stretchy. And the one thing I love about sets is that you can mix and match the top and bottom with anything that you want or anything that you have in your wardrobe. Like, totally wear this top paired with some denim shorts or a denim skirt, which I actually did also pick up. I feel like skirts are coming back in, you know, so I did end up getting this skirt. So I'm gonna pair it with this top because I feel like denim and bright orange look really nice together. I got this one in a 12 because I didn't want it to be super tight on my waist. So hopefully, oh yeah. Yep. This is perfect. I'm just gonna have to adjust the camera. So this is the skirt. I love the fit of this. So like I said, I got this one in a size 12 so I can wear it a bit lower if I wanted to. That sun like coming in is so freaking nice. But yeah, it just does up at the back in a zip. And then the other set that I got is it on this side? I feel like you need this if you're going on a tropical holiday or just generally in summer. So I'm gonna just try on the top because I would wear like a linen white t-shirt just as a little throw. Like, how cute do they all look together? I love this. I ended up getting this in a, I think 14, because I did want this to be a bit more oversized because it does come together. And I really like the size and the fit of this. But I'm gonna try on the pants so you guys can see what the pants look like as well, and I'll style it a little bit different. Okay, this is what the pants look like. Obviously the 14 is gonna be a little bit too big for me, but I honestly love this fit, especially when you're just like lounging around the pool. So comfortable. I don't have to worry about it digging in or anything like that. I actually really love the size of these. I'm actually gonna open the door because I feel like the pillar is getting in the way. Hold on. Okay, this is the next outfit. So I ended up getting this top actually in two colors, the orange and then the white. I actually love crops like this. They're just so easy to put on. And yeah, I ended up getting a 10 in the tops. And then these are a 12 in the bottoms. I actually ended up wearing this outfit yesterday. I feel like everyone needs a pair of linen pants like this because I would literally go with any top. Literally any top. So I ended up getting a size 12 in these, and I feel like they are the perfect fit for me. I didn't want them super tight. I didn't want them like too loose. Like, this is just like the perfect fit. They don't dig in. Absolutely love these so much. I've got so many different tops that I'm gonna actually pair with these because that's the whole reason why I got them. This is the white top. I don't think I'm gonna try it on because it's literally the exact same as this. So I got that in white. Another cute little top that I would pair with these linen pants. It's not actually a really stretchy fabric. It's quite actually, it's hard to explain, but it's definitely not like a stretchy fabric if that's what you think it is. I ended up getting this one in a size 10. Fits me really well, and I guess you can like kind of style this drawstring however you like. Cross it over and put it around my neck. So this is how I would style it. Oh God, I think this is my favorite top that I've put on. How cool is it? I love this green. I feel like it goes really well with even these linen pants. I feel like every single top that I've picked up goes with these pants. This is it. I'm gonna wear this to dinner tonight, I think. We're going to an Italian restaurant. Even with jeans or even like my jean skirt. I love it. How gorgeous is this set? I love this top so much. Again, the thing I love about sets is you can buy them as a set and then you can wear them separately if you want. So this is the, oh my God, it's so nice. It's actually that really stretchy, like slinky, but almost like metallic-y material. This is what the skirt looks like. It's actually really flattering. It does have a firm waistband, so it's not loose. It is quite fitted. Like it does, you know, suck you in, but I really, really love this. Like I would definitely wear this as a set. I'm obsessed. Next things I picked up was this set. It actually didn't come in a set. You have to buy it separately. So they've got heaps of cute like bikini sets with the matching sarong, which is so cute. So I got this print. So yeah, it comes with the bottoms and this is like the little sarong. How cute is that together? I love it so much. I ended up getting a 12 in the top, but I feel like I could have gone a 14 just because of the cup size, but it's still like a good fit, I guess. Yeah, actually no, I feel like this is a good fit. I probably wouldn't go up a size in that. Yeah, I actually really love that. So yes, this is the bikini that I got. And then I also got a dress, which I don't normally lean towards, but I'm gonna try it on with this bikini top and see if it looks cute because I love just putting like really cute, comfy dresses over the top of bikinis. So yeah, I'm gonna try this on and see how this one goes. I think this is inside out, yeah. The lilac dress over the top of the bikinis. It's so cute. It's got like a little ruching detail on the side. So I've just kind of like hiked that up a little bit and then I've just tied this little section down here. It's such a nice like slinky fabric. Like you can just chuck it on. It's super comfortable. It's a throw on dress, which I really love. And I'm not into dresses. Like I literally never wear them, but I love this. And last but not least, I got this red top and I love it. Even with these white linen pants or even some denim, I feel like even a red lip would look really cute with this top. But that's everything that I brought with me to Hamilton Island from Princess Polly. Once again, I do have a 20% off discount code if you want to use it site-wide. I'll leave it down below as well as everything else like I said before. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're all staying safe and well and I will see you very soon. Bye.